The TinBin TC2 was originally developed in Germany by BSB, a railway contractor and equipment manufacturer. They saw the need for a vacuum attachment that could suck ballast and help with mud spots and spill cleanups. Widely used across Europe in rail, construction and environmental applications, the TinBin has become a favorite attachment amongst innovative excavator operators. After attending InnoTrans 2018 in Germany, we saw the need for dry vac technology in the North American market. The TinBin TC2 was originally designed for rail applications by BSB, a railway contractor, and has been continually improved over 20 years. It's easy to use and super effective at sucking up ballast, cleaning up mud spots, and helping in spill cleanup situations. They're super tough and really well made, which means that you'll be able to keep using them day in and day out. Less maintenance than a hydrovac truck and more time on the job site keeps costs down. Reduced noise emissions means you can work in urban areas without disturbance. The TinBin is a purpose-made excavator attachment for rail applications and has been widely used throughout Europe. As the TinBin attaches to your excavator, you don't need a truck license to operate it. Dry excavation means you can dump on site or into a bin. Vac trucks are often overweight when loaded. TinBin won't risk your license. No need to order a hydrovac truck when you can keep your TinBin on site and attach when needed. Dry vac technology means that the TinBin TC2 can enable your excavator to suck like a vac truck, without the downsides of finding water and environmental contamination. Instead, you're able to dump on site as the material in the hopper stays dry. Sucking up ballast, cleaning mud spots, and helping in spill cleanup are tasks easily achieved by the TinBin.